Get excited about the 2022 Lexus RX 350. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, automatic temperature control, rear wipers, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.